Is your PC complaining that the Pthreadvc Library DLL is missing from your system? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's fix that library mismatch today. Before we get into the technical process for Pthreadvc Library, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Pthreadvc Library, the POSIX Threads, Pthreads, for Win32 Library, Visual C++ version. It provides the localized unmanaged routines required for cross-platform software to manage localized multi-threading and task parallelism on Windows, mandatory for thousands of open-source localized ports to function correctly. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. To stabilize the runtime environment, you'll need to reinstall POSIX/C++. Visit Microsoft's support page to download both the x86 and x64 editions of the Visual C++ redistributables and proceed with the installation. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Pthreadvc library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for Pthreadvc Library DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on Pthreadvc Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Pthreadvc Library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.